Welcome to Prestige Wellness Institute. We look forward to helping you feel your best and achieve optimal health. Every day, we meet men and women who wonder where their health and zest for life went. "I'm just getting older, Doc," has become all too common as an excuse for feeling crummy. Yes, we hear this from women in their 80s, but also from men in their 30s. No matter how old you are, age is no excuse for poor health. While some can trace the decline in their health to an event, such as menopause, andropause, childbirth, an injury, a surgery, loss of a loved one, or divorce, others discover that it creeps up on them, causing them to gradually reduce their physical activities and expectations for themselves over time. At Prestige Wellness Institute, we help men and women understand that age is not the problem. Rather, the loss of critical hormones, nutrient deficiencies, toxicities, and inflammation rob so many of the vitality they used to enjoy. Common complaints we hear include fatigue, insomnia, hot flashes and night sweats, moodiness, sexual dysfunction, headaches, lack of motivation, foggy thinking, memory loss, anxiety, and depression. While these and many other symptoms bring patients to our offices, we are equally concerned about the degenerative diseases that are unnecessarily rampant in our society. Heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, Alzheimer's, and more. All of these are preventable, and many are reversible. But wellness is more than just the absence of disease. We live in an increasingly toxic world. The food and other substances we eat, the air we breathe, the drugs we take, the chemicals we put on our skin, and the multiple stresses of modern life drain the vitality of us out of us long before disease shows up. At Prestige Wellness Institute, we use specialized testing, nutraceutical grade supplements, bioidentical hormones, regenerative medicine, customized vitamins, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, IV therapy, and many other tools to help patients reach their full health potential. We are driven by a passion to find uncommon but effective solutions to common health problems. We attend international conferences and lectures on a regular basis, incorporating the best and latest technologies that are often lacking even in many metropolitan areas. This is why patients from 6 states come to our offices in Springville and Moab for cutting-edge care. Everything we do is designed to replenish what belongs in your body, remove what doesn't belong there, and restore the balance that is essential for vitality and longevity. If you are tired of assembly line medicine, if you're looking for real answers, if you're looking for someone who actually listens and understands, and if you're ready to finally get better, give us a call. We look forward to helping you restore your health and vitality.